Okay, so TY was asking, you were told by your account manager that Facebook will be rolling out new changes. Objective will be consolidated into only several. The optimization will be deeper inside the campaign setting itself instead of the beginning. They'll be rolling out in phases. What are your thoughts on this new rollout? Don't worry. Whenever there are certain rollout, it won't be actually running too far from whatever that we are seeing right now. Consolidating doesn't mean that they are throwing things away. You see, unless they already give you what is going to happen, then you will just see whatever. But nonetheless, to be very frank, if you know me, right, like a lot of times, long time ago, when it comes to the ABO, CBO thing, I don't care. I just wait and see, because to be very frank, fundamentally, what changed? Nothing. And then 14.5 update came in, and everybody was kind of like, oh, havoc, panic call, and all this kind of thing. What do you see on me? I just chill, right? Because whatever it is, all the changes will be implemented anyway. So on our side, we can only adopt. So since you can't do anything, all right, so I mean, we just wait for that to happen and we make our adjustment along the way. I'm not worried, to be very frank. I heard about that. In there are certain gurus out there already making like a lot of so-called predictions and all that. But I say, look, I haven't seen anything yet. How can I make prediction? But this is what I say. This is what I say. Wait for it to happen. I don't think it's going to be a huge impact that's going to wipe things away. Right? I've been standing like this for 11 years now, experiencing all the changes. I'm still here. And I believe Facebook will only make things better and better. So I don't think I'm worried.